Hey friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the Recipe Therapist. Today I'm really excited because I'm participating in another open collaboration. This one's hosted by Sherry from Pretty Simple Sherry and Jessica from Measure and Mix. And we've been challenged to do a $5 Christmas centerpiece from items that we pick up from the Dollar Tree. That's very interesting. I'm gonna leave a link to both their channels in my description box below, along with a playlist of everyone else's challenges. And I wanted to say hello and welcome. My name is Celene if you're new to my channel. And some of the things I like to do on my channel are cook, entertain, and some affordable DIYs. If that sounds like something you may be interested in, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that little bell for notifications. I'd love to have you join my YouTube community. Now, this $5 challenge is quite interesting. I think you're going to be pleasantly surprised to see what I've come up with some of the items that I've used from Dollar Tree finds. So let's get started. Today, I'm going to give you guys a little extra special treat because I'm going to show you two different versions of this $5 centerpiece using wine glasses. Okay, come take a look. I found these three almost like shimmery gold candles. Okay, I'm going to be using them with these three wine glasses that I already had, and I picked up this beautiful gold flower piece also at the Dollar Tree. Now, for the base of my centerpiece, I'm going to be using these two pieces that I already had. This I got for free in the garbage, yes, the garbage of one of my neighbor's homes here. She had a garage sale and she was throwing it out after it was over, so I picked it up. And then I'm going to be layering a gold charger that I got last year from the Dollar Tree. And I picked up these gold and red Christmas balls, and we are going to put this together and it's gonna be so beautiful. So what I love about this Dollar Tree centerpiece for Christmas is that it's so easy. Let me show you how we're gonna put it together. So I'm going to take my tallest glass and I put it right here, and the other two I turn upside down and I put it right in front, all right? And that's the base. Now, I just take my candles and put them right on top. And I'm gonna leave this wrapper on them, and I don't know, it just makes them look shinier and it preserves them. All right, now, this piece, I just kind of put right front like this. And you know, you can kind of fuss with it and, you know, do it however you'd like. I like it right on the front, almost to the side a little bit. And I'm gonna take three of the gold balls that I got and just put one under each glass. And this is for some of you that would just like a pretty gold arrangement like that. Isn't that lovely? And it's $5. I just thought it looked so beautiful. Now, for some of you that want, you know, a pop of color for red, just take the rest of the balls and just kind of, you know, place them around, red and gold, okay? And just like this, in fact, I could use kind of all of them. Just place them around. Let's see, I'll put this one over here. And look at that, okay? For that, you know, pop of color. I mean, it's so beautiful and so easy. And the best part about it is it was only $5. Let me show you what you're going to be using for the second $5 Christmas centerpiece from some items that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. So come over here, take a look. I have this mirror with a frame I got for $1, and I'm going to be using this tea light candle. I'm not going to be using the base, I'm just going to be using the top piece. I'm also going to be using these little Christmas balls that I picked up with these gold bells and this faux snow. And we're going to come back and I'm going to show you, I'm going to put it all together. So here's our second $5 Christmas centerpiece. It looks like a snow globe. I took a wine glass that I already have and I filled it with the faux snow with the bells and the balls. I took some gold metallic paint that I have in my stash, and I spray painted the frame with the mirror and the little tea light holder. And this is what it come out looking like. It's so pretty, I love it. And it cost me $5. Now, I have the a floating candle in here. I just want to let you know that if you're going to be making this and you're going to be using the faux snow, I would use one of those electric tea light candles just in case it's like flammable. But if you're not going to use the faux snow and you just want to fill it up with balls, that's another option you can do. You can certainly put a floating candle or a regular tea light. And I just think this is such a great look for $5 at the Dollar Tree for Christmas. Versions of $5 Christmas centerpieces made from items that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I just wanted to show you that I did take the faux snow out of this one just to show you how it looks with just the balls, and I think it really looks good like this as well. I want to thank Sherry from Pretty Simple Sherry and Jessica from Measure and Mix for hosting this collaboration, and remind you that I am going to be leaving their links again in the description box below, along with all the participants who are on that playlist as well. So don't forget to check out that playlist. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did and found some inspiration. And as always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that little bell for notifications, and we will see you next time to serve up some more love. Take care.